Hi guys, welcome to Vicky's Kenyan Kitchen, where we prepare a variety of meals. And today I'm going to show you a very simple way on how you can do your birthday without having stress or hassle. I will start by doing my breakfast because I'm a July babe, okay? So I have my ingredients here starting with breakfast, and the rest I'm going to select from my menu. We have recipes on YouTube, so I'll pick from those and show you on how you can do your birthday. Karibuni sana. I have cucumber, carrots, mushrooms, pickles, tomatoes, eggs, long Vienna sausage. I have sausages, and I have bacon, baked beans, onions, potatoes, and bread. Guys, so I'll start by making my coffee. Mix my potatoes. ready. I'm gonna do a mega breakfast, English breakfast for my special day. You can also try this. Put some vinegar. Guys, I'm so happy. It's a special day for me, and my breakfast is ready. I managed to do this, and this is our final results. But I have someone here who is special to me. She's here to join me for breakfast.
My mouth, oh. Sweetie,
Yes.
you are blessed.
Amen.
For free, I promise you. Me, I don't want to talk much.
Yeah.
I just wanna eat. My mouth is full of. Hey. What? Who taught you how to do this? Mwenyewe.
Yeah, myself. Like I said, I'm not a chef, you know.
I think you are.
No.
You don't know, but you are. This food.
Yes.
I'm about to vandalize it off camera.
Yes.
I'm out. I'm just waiting to destroy this.
Yeah, guys, you heard my friend. She said we're gonna eat this together, and after this, to show you how you can easily do your birthday without any stress. One, what you need is just some pallets and the balloons and flowers. It's been amazing and a wonderful day. Today I've had so much fun. I enjoyed everything, not to mention my photos. Nimepata photos supu, lakini yani kila kitu. Bali na photos, the food was amazing. Guys, you can do this. You don't have to choose stress on your birthday. You can easily do it if you have a balcony. You can, what you need is the pillowcase and the balloons. You have it. If you have a garden, you can easily do it on in your garden with pallets, pillowcase, and balloons with some flowers to go with, yeah? That was my idea for today. I plan to come up with more ideas and share with you people. Thank you so much for your love and support. I appreciate it so much. And mwah, 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 mwah. See you in my next video. Bye for now.